Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing another Shop My Stash video. I couldn't even remember what the title of this video was. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? So yes, I am going to be doing another Shop My Stash video. It's been a while since I've actually done one. So yeah. You know, I just, especially after the whole Wet n Wild scandal, I just kind of want to play around with my collection and see what I got and just have fun. So yeah, first things first, I will say I am going to be throwing in the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. I used this palette on my eyes today. I did a video on this literally yesterday, so watch yesterday's video if you are wondering about it. And yeah, let's just keep going. Okay, so that's my little basket. As you can see, Jaclyn Hill's still in there. I am going to continue using my L'Oreal True Match Lumi. As you can see, I have very little left. That is in my project pan. And as soon as that's done, I will be moving on to my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. So I'm just going to stick that in here so it's ready to go. So yeah. Let's hop on in. Is there anything in here I want to make sure I use? I want to make sure I use these Marc Jacobs eyeliners. I don't know. I just think it'd be fun to do like a bronzy eyeliner. So we're going to make sure that gets used. And let's go for the Covergirl Intensify Me liquid eyeliner. I think that's all from that drawer. I already pulled out a concealer today, and it's the Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous. Covergirl is cruelty-free, but they don't have this line anymore, so I think this is going to be next in my project pan, so yeah. Back in here, I'm still trying to use up the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder right there, and I'm actually going to put this LA Girl Pro Powder in my project pan just because I've been loving it so much. And I'm going to continue with the Maybelline Under Eye Corrector that I've been using. So, nothing in there. Bronzer. So, I do have my Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette in my project pan. But I do want to play around with this Ulta Contour Kit a little bit more. I used it couple days ago and I really enjoyed it, so I want to play with that a little bit more. Let's see, blush. I just took this one out and actually put it in the wrong spot. So I just took the matte blush from the Rev in Nude out. So I'm still working on my Cheekathon palette by Benefit in my project pan. So, still working on that. I did repress it. That's why it looks like there's like zero progress. But I do want to pull in something. I don't know. I think I'm going to pull in the e.l.f. Modern Metals palette, just because I really enjoyed this blush the other day. I find it to be a dupe for Coralista by Benefit, and just based on how fast I have gone through Dandelion since I've repressed, I have a feeling I'm going to go through Coralista real fast too. Since repressing, I find them not to be as pigmented. So this looked just like these, and I've used it twice. So I have a feeling the rest are going to be the exact same way. So I am going to pull this in because not only does it have like that beautiful orangey shade that matches Coralista, but ooh, let's not drop it. It also has like that plummy shade and this beautiful like reddish shade, and then it's got some highlighters in there as well. So we'll include that. I do still want to pull in an individual highlight though. I'm thinking, I think I want to use my e.l.f. highlighter in Starlight Glow. I haven't really used it that much, but that's just kind of what it looks like. And I've been wanting to play around with more e.l.f. products since the Wet n Wild scandal. So, yeah. And I think that's it. Because I'm going to keep my Tartist mascara in. I try to only keep one mascara open at a time. So that's my Shop My Stash right now, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. I realized this was a shorter Shop My Stash than normal, but hey, what can I say? I feel like I kind of already knew what I wanted. So there you go. That's everything for this Shop My Stash video. If you guys do shop your stashes yourself, let me know down below in the comments what products you plan on using this month or this rotation or however you like to do it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.